My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Kia Niro. This vehicle has done just over 38,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, our button settings, and our setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our climate control, and if we press our drive mode button, we can switch between sport mode, eco mode, normal mode, and if we press down, eco plus. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.